so untouched, even the dust respects them.
If unprepared is an Olympic sports, we have win a gold.
True, we had even practice for it.
Yeah, wait, idea. You write the answers. I copy from you. Easy win.
Interesting proposal, Mr. Genius. But what if teacher catches?
Relax, bro. I will sit behind you.
Okay. But teachers has got CCTV eyes.
Okay. Plan B.
What it is?
Tiny notes hiding in slaves. Boom, instant success.
So we are spies now. Mission pass the exam.
Exactly. Mission copy paste. Agent A and Agent B on duty.
Agent A to Agent B. Target spotted. Invigilator incoming.
Copied it. Agent B activating invisible mode.
It's so funny. So, look at if teacher could hear us right now. We had banned from the exam for life.
No, my career, my future, my free Wi-Fi access.
Okay, relax. Purity, man.
All this thing about cheating, it's kind of funny, but it is not right.
True. I like it's like joking, skipping homework. But deep down, you should have done it.
You know, we will cheat now, we will pass the exam, but fail in life?
Exactly. And imagine our parents, what they trust on us. But what's the point if we lie to them?
My dad always says, if you cheat in exam, you're not fooling the teacher, you're fooling yourself.
That's deep, bro.
Yeah, sometimes he sounds like a Google quote.
You know, I actually want this time to score my marks, even if they are bad.
Same year, at least we will know their hours, 100%.
Okay. So, where do we start now?
Anywhere you want, but it doesn't have economics in it.
Come on, bro. Economics is easy.
Easy? For you maybe. For me, it is like a agenda of parliament.
Oh, okay, fine. Let's start with history. History is easy. You can do it.
Yeah, deal. First, one more cold coffee.
Obviously, studying without coffee is like a phone without charge, totally dead.
That's true. Let's make our brain caffeinated and our heart honest.
Yes. To hard work,
No shortcuts.
to honesty.
Bitter at first, and it is awake forever. The conclusion of moral of the conversation: cheating it might help you to pass the exam, but it can't help you in pass in life.
The success comes from hard work, not from shortcuts.
Friends who make you laugh can make you also pass in life.
Honesty is like a coffee, strong, bitter at first, and but it's Skype awake for all. So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬಾ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಚೆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 328. ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೋಟ್, ಇದು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ತ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್.
Hey you, you Ahmed, right?
Yes, I am Ahmed, but sorry, I am not able to recognize you.
What? You can't even recognize me? I am Atif.
Atif, oh, I can't believe you are Atif.
But I recognize you with just a second. How could you not recognize me?
Sorry, yaar, I mean, you have changed quite a lot.
But you haven't changed a bit.
You have become so thin. Nobody would have been able to recognize you.
Now tell me, how are you doing?
Great, at least till now. What about you?
I am doing well.
I can't believe we are seeing each other after so many years.
Yeah, and that even this beautiful place like this.
Yes, when came you here?
Well, we arrived here just yesterday, and we are staying here for 2 days. What about you?
We will leave tomorrow. I have to join my office day after tomorrow.
Oh, where are you working?
After completing IIT, I got job at Google.
Oh, that is impressive.
Believe me, it's nothing to boast about. We have to work a lot. We have to work a lot. Anyway, tell me what about you?
Well, I completed my MSc and I'm trying to finding a job now. And you already know the demands of job is very high nowadays.
Yeah, and you were the topper of our class.
Well, nobody, education anymore. Nobody.
Don't say that. I am sure something great is waiting for you.
Let's see what happens.
Where are you from?
And where are you do live now?
Currently, I live in Pune. After a long time, I got a vacation, so I planned to come with my parents here.
And do you remember Nadeem?
Yes, that's handsome guy, right?
Yes. He is acting in TV serial now.
What? That's great. I have lost contact number with almost everyone.
Give me your contact number. I add you in WhatsApp group of all our school students.
That's a great idea.
Sure. Bye for now. It is lovely for seeing you here.
Same to me. Bye.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ cancelled. Next code letter Jim on the stage.
Hey Ishaq, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
How are you going on?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Take a seat, please.
Yeah. Oh,
Ishaq,
yeah.
yesterday I called you to study because enemies ahead.
Oh, you are teasing me. Actually, I was playing games. You know, the Free Fire had launched a new season. My rank has been dropped back, so I have to regain that rank. So I can't get sleep after that.
That's why I'm talking about that enemies ahead. Do you know who is the enemy?
No.
That's the exams.
Exams? Where?
You don't know about the exams?
When it is? I don't know.
It's just tomorrow. Are you?
Tomorrow?
Yes. Are you fool?
No, are you joking? It's tomorrow.
Yeah, that's why I said the enemies ahead. Please prepare for your exam and leave the games.
Oh my God, I was disturbed and addicted in my games. I can't study now. What I can do?
You cannot nothing much do. You should start to study now. And listen, please focus on the exams, not on the games.
But game is important for me. It's a part of a life. I can't live it. It's like breathe for me.
Are you mad? Why are you acting like that? Please focus on the exams. Let.
I think to study, but games focus. I focus only on games. I can't study. I'm addicted fully.
Can you please explain me that what you will get by playing the games?
Nothing. Just fun for 2 to 3 minutes.
Then you're fool in the world, number one fool in the world you are.
Hey, what are you telling?
No, yaar. It's seriously. There is a tomorrow an exam. See, when you play the games, there is no physical activities. Only there is a mental activity which we get lost in the mental.
You are right, but yeah, I will try to understand.
No, it's not the time to try. You should boost up for your exams.
Yeah, exams are approaching. Now I will study and you will help me to study, okay?
Oh, just you say I will study, you just help me to say. You should not do like that. You should boost up.
Yeah, really, I will study. I will make a coffee. Can we?
I will pick your call. What about you?
I will study. I will cover it. You can help me in studies. Please help me in maths. I am very weak in it.
Oh, you're acting like you're an Albert Einstein. Huh?
Oh. It's not like that, but I can catch easy, like how I catch in games enemies. Even they are so far.
You're bringing your game in the exams. It's not right. If you kill your teacher, that teacher is my enemy, then what about that?
Teacher is not the enemy. Teacher is the teammate of the enemy.
No, yesterday you have said that the max teacher is your enemy.
Okay, let's meet tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. The moral is the activity games should play by the cricket, football, which we get mentally and physically boost up. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Next code letter ha on the stage. ಇದಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಿರುವುದು ಮಿಡ್ ಝೋನ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕೋಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಲು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ರೂಮಿನತ್ತ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This conversation between two old friends in met in the tourist places. What a beautiful place. This air feels like so fresh here.
Excuse me? Could you please take a photo of me?
Sure. Wait a second. Hashi, is that you?
Hunain? Oh, no way. After so many years, what are the chances to meet you here?
I can't believe you look like almost same, but just with a little beard.
And you are hardly changed. Maybe a bit wiser now.
Maybe. So how you all been those 10 years?
I have been good, alhamdulillah. I am working in Bangalore now as a project manager. You know, life is very busy. And what about you?
I am teacher now, teaching English in the college. It's maybe 10 years old.
That's amazing. You are good at explaining things back in school. Remember how you helped with me my essays.
And you helped me with maths. Remember how you saved me from getting failed in those exams?
Those were golden days. I am really miss our school times because of the laughter, the mischief, and games after the class.
True. Everything is so simple back then. No deadlines, no responsibilities, no stress.
Absolutely. So you are came here for holidays.
Yes, I came with my family. My kids are so excited to see the waterfalls.
What? You have kids? That wonderful. How many?
Two, one girl and one boy. They are both are same age when we meet at first meeting.
Time is really flies. I am not married yet. Still searching right person.
Don't worry, bro. Everything happened at right time.
True. By the way, still you are in our hometown?
Yes, I am living there and working in the nearby college. It's peaceful. It's away from the noise of the city.
Lucky you. I am really miss that quiet life. I am really miss that quiet life. Maybe one day I will move back to.
Yes. But tonight you have to come dinner with me, with my family. No excuses.
Of course. I would love to meet them and meet them. You don't know how happy I am now to see after you, Hunain.
Same here, my friend. This is very meeting you in this trip is very memorable.
Indeed. Old friends like a treasure, precious, rare.
Good side. Take a photo together before we going. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೈಝೋನ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಬಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್. ಇದೀಗ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಿರುವುದು ಮಿಡ್ ಝೋನ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಮಿಷ್ಕಾತ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನಿವಲ್ ಈ ದಿನದ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.